Hi everyone, today we're going to Wilmslow firework display and I thought I would take you along for the ride. So we're on our way to the fireworks now. We went to this firework display last year, we went with some friends and they've invited us to go again this year, and it's a really great display, so we're really excited. So we're just picking the friends up and then we will be there. We had a really great time. It was a really great display and it was great hanging out with friends and hanging out together as a family. It is really cold outside, so I'm just warming up and then we're going to read some bedtime stories and get to bed because it is quite late. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time for another video. Take care guys, bye!